All right, nature spot number 1. You spotted this guy on the side of the road.
It's a turtle!
A little box turtle.
Box turtle!
There's a car on the side of the road. Probably wondering what the heck we're doing. Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! What were those things?
Whoa.
Oh, it did not like that. This little guy turned around. Got a little box turtle here. We can't keep it as a pet. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe it wants to go. I see there's a waterway right down here. All right, buddy, I'm gonna put you back in the water. Or back towards the water. Towards the little drainage ditch. What do you think? You've had such a morning, huh?